heartfelt prayer and countless consultations with the people I serve, I have made one of the most difficult decisions of my political life. From today, Aisha Jumwa Karisa Katana is no longer a member of the United Democratic Alliance, UDA. This decision is not an act of anger. It is an act of conscience. It is a decision born out of love for Kilifi, faith in its people, and unshakable belief that our county deserves leadership that listens, serves, and delivers. As we move through this transition, Wananchi and the public will play a key role in shaping the next steps. Your voice, your guidance, and your expectations will inform the direction we take. This movement belongs to you. My fellow residents of Kilifi, I urge you to remain peaceful, united, and hopeful. Let us reject division, embrace one another, and continue this journey with dignity and courage. As your leader, I have chosen to stand with you. I will continue to listen to your voices, defend your democratic choices, and protect your right to determine your own political future without intimidation or interference. History has taught us that when a united people stand together for justice, no obstacle is too great, no dream is impossible.